My name is Jason, and I'm an FCR at Boston Scientific. So I joined a lot of sport in high school, and I was very trying to join all the activity at the school. I played soccer, I ran for cross country, and I swim. One time it was raining. We practiced inside, and my coach was got shocked just because I collapsed right in the middle of the floor, and she was like, "Oh, what's going on?" So she sent me to the nurse. And the nurse sent me to do my doctors. My doctor sent me to a cardiologist and sent to me an EP. Finally, I was diagnosed with ARVD, which is right ventricular dysplasia. My doctor decided to put a device in me. And the first device I have was actually a gem from Medtronic. I drained the battery in just 4.5 years. It shocked me 196 times. And each time it shocked, it hurts really bad. I couldn't drive, I couldn't socialize, I couldn't do anything.
It was really during that course of time that he decided these aren't perfect instruments. I believe I can make a difference. I'm going to figure out a way where I can positively impact these devices so nobody else has to go through what I've gone through. He committed himself to becoming a software engineer specifically because of that. He went to one of the top engineering schools in the country and graduated at almost the top of his class. His whole goal all along was to say, I want to join one of these companies and I want to help make these devices better.
At that time, I started working for Boston Scientific already, and after learning about Rhythm ID, I said, you know what, this might work for me. This might reduce the amount of shocks, and I was the person that requested to get a Boston Scientific device. I still receive some shocks, but it's very few, and they were appropriate. With the less shocks, I was able to get back to life, doing the stuff that I love. I like going to the beach. I can do that. I like going to movies. Without getting those shocks, I can do those now. I can get back to life now. Some of the feature I like best about Boston Scientific is gotta be longevity. Each change out, the doctor said oh, it's just gonna in and out, but it's not. It takes days to recover from all the drugs, and it takes weeks just to recover the wound and start to get back to life again. So the longevity of the device is very important to me. And the other feature I like a lot is the size of the device. The Boston Scientific device, it's a lot thinner, therefore so would you rather have something like this, where sticking out like a lump, or would you prefer something like this, where literally, can you tell that I have a device? It's been good. I mean, I remember back then, if the doctors or anybody asked me, when's the last time you received a shock, I'd be like, maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. But now, if you ask me the same question, I'm like, I don't remember. And that's a wonderful answer, just because it's a wonderful answer, not having to remember when the last time you get a shock.